Are you wondering what an SVG is and how to upload them? Well then, stay tuned. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. In this video is going to be more of an in-depth tutorial and a little bit of background with me about what is an SVG, how do we upload them, and basically where I was at when I started. It was only a couple months ago that I bought my first Cricut. It was during the COVID shutdown, but it opened up a whole new world for me. And I'm not just talking about the endless creative abilities, I'm talking about an unfamiliar world also. So after the excitement high goes down, then those fears started to come in. And in my head, I heard, what did you buy? What is an SVG? What is a PNG? You don't know anything about this computer software or computer graphics. Well, that was going on in my head. But I'm here to share with you some of the basics that I've learned. I remember searching for what is an SVG when I first bought the Cricut. And what first came up was quite a computer lingo type of definition. But what made it a little bit more understandable is when you look up what it is actually used for. So SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. It's a file format that allows you to display vector images on your website, which we use for the Cricut. So it means you can scale an SVG image up and down as needed without losing any quality, which is awesome for your designs. Now let's go into uploading the SVG into Cricut Design Space. So I'm actually using this free site here, and I will put the link in the description below. I know you guys are wondering, why is she uploading a belt buckle? But you will see in an upcoming DIY how I use this. So we're just gonna hit download SVG, and once it's downloaded in your computer, just go right into Cricut Design Space. So I have an empty new project, and we're gonna hit upload image, browse, because you're gonna browse your computer to find it. And mine's in my downloads folder, so it's right here. Once you click upload, you're gonna see your image. Tags that I recommend for categories, I actually have no idea what to make this. Maybe belt, maybe accessories, buckle. I might search for buckle. So those are all different types. You can put as many tags in as you want. Just think in the future of how you would search for it. Once it's uploaded, you can select and insert it onto your project. And here it is. In this, you can see that there's a ton of pieces to this SVG, but in another video, I'll show you how I edit it to fit the needs for my project. At the end of the video, I'm going to share with you a bonus 2 websites that share a ton of free SVGs. And please remember to hit the like button if you're learning something new. And now it's time to show you the difference between the SVG and a JPEG in Cricut Design Space. So we're just going to go right over to upload image, browse, and I took a screenshot of the buckle just so you can see side by side the same image in a different file format. Clicking complex and then the magic eraser tool. Just click the background and it disappears, which is an amazing tool to have. You can also go to click the preview button just to make sure that you have nothing else in the background. And then you can also zoom in, zoom out, and let's go to continue. I'm gonna save it as a print and cut because you want to save it that way if that's like the exact image that you want. Otherwise, just saving it as a cut image is not really going to do much for you. And name it and tag, hit save, and then select your image and insert. So already you can see how tiny the image is, and you can see how the SVG has a ton of layers where your print and cut image is only one. So I'm going to just zoom in, make it larger. I mean, you can already see that the lines are getting a little fuzzy. And now let's zoom in on our SVG. And look how crisp and clear. It's because it's scalable. So it doesn't matter, you can really customize it, you can change the color, you can move the layers around. And that's why SVGs are so awesome for the Cricut. Now it's time to show you the bonus of my 2 favorite free SVG sites. So these 2 amazing women give away a ton of free SVGs, and they have projects that range from very simple to very detailed, and their explanations are amazing. The first website I wanted to show you is jennifermaker.com. All links will be in the description box below. But Jennifer Maker, actually, she was the one that inspired me to buy a Cricut and start doing these types of crafts, which is great. She always creates more SVGs and projects for you to look through, which is awesome. And then Leah Griffith, she has beautiful, beautiful designs. I mean, they're just exquisite. So as you can see here, lots of beautiful home decor. She also does have a freebies tab, so you can access some of those projects. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Please comment below if you have any questions you would like further clarification on, or suggest other DIY videos if you'd like. Please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos on DIY hacks and crafts. And remember to always imagine the possibilities.